Hello, I'm David Bailey of Bailey Bee Supply. It's a rainy day, so I thought we'd shoot a video about this pollen trap I've got. I ordered this pollen trap and it was not one that you could put on the bottom board. So I finally figured out how to use it. It's got a great little door here that opens up with the slide on the side. We open it up and slide it. It holds it open if you want the bees to be able to bring pollen in without taking it off the legs. It's got this slide-in drawer that holds the pollen. But the way we figured out how to put this on a hive, we got a demo hive here in the store. There's two ways you can do it. We put two screws here so you can use it on an 8 or 10 frame hive. You can drill a hole in your box for the bees to go in, or put a Imrie shim between your two brood boxes. You would need to close off the front entrance, and it's very simple. We got these two screws that we already put on here. The bees go in, you collect your pollen, you lift it up and hold it, and that's all it is to it. Have a blessed day.